Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Cleanliness in Islam. Wear clean clothes. The Prophet cared a lot about being clean and always smelling good. One day, he saw a pile of laundry lying around his home, so he began to wash the clothes. Moments later, his wife came up to him and offered,
"O Prophet, let me wash them."
He was very happy with her offer and accepted her help. As they washed the clothes together, he taught her,
"Everything, even clothes, praise Allah by doing zikr.
He said,
But when clothes become dirty, all of that stops.
And purify your clothes.
Wash your clothes and be clean."